Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Easy English Classroom, and today I'm going to talk about simple, compound and complex sentences. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like my videos. Thank you. Using range of sentences in writing can help engage the reader and make the text easier to read and convey meaning. Besides, varying sentence structure can reduce repetition. In order to make our writing more interesting, different sentence types and lengths add more emphasis to create effects on the reader. Sometimes using too many simple sentences could make our writing disjointed. So using simple, compound and complex sentences is key to effective writing. If we look at the GCSE Assessment Objective Section B, for writing we will understand the importance of using varied sentence lengths. First, we look at what is a simple sentence. Simple sentence is a single independent clause and have a subject and a verb. For example, I do not like eating fish. If we look at this sentence, we can see there is a subject, verb and object. For another example, I love eating vegetables. This sentence also has a subject, verb and object. Number 2 is compound sentences. Now, what is a compound sentence? Compound sentence contains at least 2 independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction like and, but, or, because, or so. For example, I love eating vegetables, but I do not like eating fish. So if we look at the first part of the sentence, we can see I love eating vegetables can stand on its own. So this is an independent clause. But I do not like eating fish also making sense by its own and joined by a coordinating conjunction which is but. Complex sentence. When we have one independent clause and one dependent clause in a sentence, it is known as a complex sentence. It is also known as a multi-clause sentence. For example, due to my food allergy, I prefer to eat vegetables. So if we look at the first part of this sentence, due to my food allergy, that does not make sense by its own. So this is a subordinating clause. Now for the second part of a sentence, I prefer to eat vegetable. This is an independent clause as a second part of the sentence. So this is a complex sentence. It's not that tricky. For more examples and practice, I share the resources in the comments section below. There will be an answer script as well as to self-mark your work. Please do not hesitate to ask any question if you're unsure about anything in this topic. Thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you soon.